Hi everyone, my name is Ariel and alright son, okay, just stay there. Nope, you're coming back out. Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Ariel and today I'm going to be showing you a couple of things that I've recently bought. I don't usually make haul videos, but I figured why not put one together, so that is what I'm going to do today. It's kind of a half and half. It's a bit of high-end, a bit of drugstore. I've just been really trying to try new things. And let's jump into this haul. And I actually haven't talked to you guys in a really long time, so this is like, this is a little weird. This is actually the second time that I filmed this video, so hopefully I don't forget any products. I try to pull them all back out. I don't know where my SD card went. I filmed 2 videos the other day, and I mean, I looked everywhere. I even moved some furniture, like the universe just ate it. It said, nope, you gotta do these again. So I'm just listening and I'm letting it find me. So in no particular order, I'm just gonna start grabbing things. Alright, first up are these 2 Physicians Formula products. This is the Healthy Foundation, and I was a little excited about this because they had more of a shade range in their foundations. Usually they have like 3 and it never fits me. I'm always in between, I've said it before, I'm in between like a darker light and a lighter medium, so I'm always somewhere in between there. And so I purchased the shade LN4, and I thought that this would fit me, but it's actually a little bit too light, so I'm gonna go back to the store and get a darker one. I've been testing this out lately. I have been doing Is It Worth It? Let Me Work It, so expect this video coming up soon, along with the Physicians Formula Spotlight Illuminating Primer. Oh my gosh, I love this packaging. It like just drew me in, and usually I always throw these caps out. Like, I don't find the need for them. Especially if they have a pump, like I just don't cover anything. I do that with my water bottles too. It's probably a bad habit, but I kept this because it's super pretty. So I have been trying these out. I just need to get a bit of a darker shade. Hopefully they have it, and yeah, you'll see it soon. I also got these highlighters. These are the Hello Halo liquid highlighters from Wet n Wild. You guys know I love Wet n Wild, and I'm actually surprised I haven't tried these yet. I just love that finding a good highlighter at the drugstore is becoming a thing, so I can't wait to try these because Wet n Wild usually never fails me. So I picked these 2 up when the Koko collection was, I think, 40% off or something. I picked up the matte liquid lipstick in Khlo Money and in Damn Gina. Wait, Damn Gina is a gloss, not a matte liquid lipstick. Let me just swatch them really quick right here. It's more of a berry color with pink and berry colored, purpley colored glitters. I don't know if you could see it really well right there, but that's what it looks like. It looks super pretty by itself. I did wear it for a while by itself. And then this is the Khlo Money swatch right here. It's such a pretty, like a dusty peach shade. Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipsticks, I love them. They last forever, but they are a bit drying, and I feel like these 2 will pair really nicely together. I was super excited about purchasing these little babies over here because I have never tried Dose of Colors before I purchased these. So this is the first time that I ever purchased Dose of Colors, and oh my gosh. I bought the shade Truffle, the liquid matte lipstick in Truffle, and in Los Angeles, but like jealous and jealous. I'm sorry if the lighting keeps going in and out. I usually don't film this early in the morning. I also purchased the lipstick in More Creamer Please. This is from the Desi and Katie collection, and I don't know if you've seen my last video, which is pretty much this base makeup. It's my everyday makeup routine. Definitely not this lip, but I thought I should throw it on. It matched with my Mickey shirt, so I put it on. Anyways, I've been loving to pair this up with the CYO Cosmetics Line 'em Up lip liner in Tripper. Yeah, Tripper, and they just look so good together. This is like the prettiest nude I have ever found to actually match my skin tone. It's really hard to find a nude lipstick, like a genuine, not like a pinky nude, a nude lipstick that matches my undertone. I have that like very warm Latina olive-y undertone. And let me tell you something. These are, and hands down, like I had this thought as soon as I applied this. This is also such a beautiful nude shade, but as soon as I applied this, I automatically knew that this is literally the most comfortable like applicator that I have ever tried. It just, I don't know how to explain it. Something about this shape made it so easy to apply. And I know you can get that from a lot of different liquid lipsticks, but the actual applicator is so soft. I don't know, it's an experience in itself. You gotta try them. So this is Truffle right here, and this is Los Angeles. This is the Revlon Photo Ready Sunlit Dream Highlighter from the Drugstore highlighter palette. Sorry. And this is what it looks like. This shade right here is, this one, this shade right here is so beautiful. It looks like that lit from within type of highlight. It's not a beaming one, but you can definitely build it up. This is, I put it on the bottom right here. It's just a lit from within type of sheen. I love how it had these darker options up here. I definitely recommend this if you love a lit from within, very slight sheen type of highlight. I love this. So BH Cosmetics recently released a bunch of vegan brush sets. Before they only had individuals, and I've mentioned them before. So I already had this one. This is V11. And I use this all the time. It's just so comfortable and so affordable. So I also purchased this marble brush holder. It's so pretty and it matches my desk aesthetic. So I purchased it again. I think it was like $5 or something like that. So this is the Vegan Flawless Face Brush Set. It includes these 4 brushes. It includes the fan brush, a setting brush, a flat top buffer brush, as well as this deluxe round powder brush. Now this one, when I first saw this, I'm like, oh my gosh, that looks so similar to V11. But this one has a more like oblong shape. It's thinner right here, while this one is seriously like just round. I actually use this for setting the face, and I've been using this one for bronzing and just melting everything together. This is the Vegan Bold Brow Brush Set. This brow duo brush has a spoolie, and of course the brush to apply powder, anything you fill your eyebrows in with, and I love it because it's stiff. It has enough bend to it that it can blend well. This is the definer and blender brush, and I thought that it was amazing they included these together. It has a tip for you to clean up your eyebrows. I've been doing that lately, and it really does make a big difference in your overall makeup. And I've actually been using this in my crease, or like to blend the highlight shade with my crease shade. And finally, this is the Vegan Eye Essentials brush set. It includes these 5 brushes right here. So from your left to your right, I'm gonna start naming all of the brushes. This is the round crease brush, even though I've been using it to smudge out my lower lash line. This is the smudger brush. Again, I also use this to really add that detail in a very smoky lower lash line. A flat shader brush, which is the one here in the middle. Of course, you have to include a large blending brush in any essentials kit. I was pleasantly surprised when I saw this definer brush, just to add that like outer V definition or something like that, which isn't really something that you can do with a larger one. I really do think that they did a great job with these brushes, just with the kit in general, because you can create bomb ass looks with these brushes. I believe it's about $10 for 5 brushes, and if you ask me, that is a deal. I purchased 2 new mascaras because I've been on the hunt. I don't know where the other one is, but it's the one with the pink top, the lash. It's supposed to like be a dupe for the roller lash or something like that. I believe it's from CoverGirl as well. But I also purchased the Peacock Flare. I know that Aisha Curry, she's like the CoverGirl for this, and it's the one I'm wearing on my eyes right now. I can say it adds a lot of volume. It's not really a lengthening mascara. It's more of a volumizing mascara, but it like burns so bad when you take it off, or like if you like rub your eye and it gets in your eye a little bit, like you will feel like you are losing your sight. And of course, last but not least, you guys, I'm so excited. So excited. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Omri-Z highlighter. I've seen this everywhere and it looks good on everyone. I haven't seen one person that this looks bad on. Oh my gosh, I don't even want to open it. I want to do like a first impressions on this coming soon. I don't want to open it. I don't. So I'm not going to. I'm going to wait for that video. So that wraps up this haul. Oh my gosh, I miss talking to you guys so much, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want me to try out or do a certain type of video on any of these products. So I have one more series coming to you guys. I can't wait to present it to you. I'm so excited about it, and it's not really a talking type of series where I talk about products like my Is It Worth It? Let Me Work It. It's a makeup tutorial type series, so I'm so excited about it and I can't wait to show you guys. I really genuinely miss talking to the camera, and it was a little bit weird at first when I started filming again, but I've warmed up, you know, I am seasoned. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did indeed like it, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. You know what to do with that bell button. Just hit it. That way you get... Come on, Mom. That way you get notified whenever I post a video. I will be posting Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. If you don't follow me on my Twitter or Instagram, you should, because I update on there the most. Thank you guys for hanging on, and I really appreciate you all that take the time out of your day to watch my videos and to just chat about makeup with me. I love reading the comments. I love talking to you guys. And with that being said, I will talk to you in my next video. Bye. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Why am I so nervous? So hopefully I didn't prefer... because... this is actually the second time. Why do I keep messing up? But I filmed this video the first time I am so... hopefully I don't forget. That's my mom. Why am I like so... I can't do this. And I bought the just classic... Ooh, this lighting though, son. No, just stay there. Classic bendability blend under lash line, under